Hello children, I hope you all are fine. Yes children, today we are going to learn a new lesson. English, Unit 6, lesson number 1. Do you know which lesson it is? Yes, the class discussion. It is a poem, a short poem. It is a very interesting one. First of all, I would like to introduce the new vocabularies. See, the first word is discussion. What's the meaning of discussion? What do you mean by discussion? Talking together in a small group on a single topic. Discussion. Talking in a group on a single topic. Next word is aired. A-I-R-E-D. Aired means spoke publicly. Aired, it is past tense. So, spoke publicly. Okay. Next, barely. Barely speak means just for the namesake. Just, only just. That is the meaning. Stare. Look fixedly with wide open eyes. Next word is plain. In this poem, its meaning is clear. Okay. First discussion. Discussion means talking together on a single topic. Next, aired, made public. Second, barely, only, just. Next, stare, look fixedly with wide open eyes. Last word, plain. The meaning, clear. Now, children, have you ever participated in class discussion? No. Okay. Today you will learn how to participate in class discussions and what are the advantages of attending or participating in class discussions. There are so many advantages. Class discussion is one of the different methods of learning and teaching. Mainly today we will discuss about 4 advantages. Firstly, it is a two-way communication. Two-way communication, what do you understand? For the class discussion, first the teacher will divide the class into 2 groups and teacher will give a single topic. So, these 2 groups, they are free to discuss and they must be able to give the ideas, their suggestions, their opinion. So, in different way on the same topic, ideas and opinions will come together. So, it is called a two-way communication. Secondly, learning become more interesting. Do you know how learning become more interesting? The regular class, you are restricted. You are not supposed to talk or move around in the classroom. But class discussion, in your group, you are free. So, you can discuss, you can talk in the class and finally, you will form your own ideas that you have to contribute. So, anyway, since you are able to talk in the class and discuss in the class, it will become more interesting. It is one way of learning and teaching. Okay, children. Thirdly, it gives training in self-expression. It is a training. As you all are very small children, all of you may not be able to stand up and talk in the class. So, you may have little fear or inhibition. So, gradually, due to the team spirit, others will encourage you to air your own opinion. So, it will be more effective. Next, lastly, everybody's participation is in it. As I told you earlier, the class is divided into 2 groups and each group, they have their own team spirit. So, they will encourage the students, those who are little bit reluctant to express their ideas, the others will encourage them. Automatically, slowly they will come up, overall development will be taken place. These all are the main advantages of class discussion. Children, now we are moving to the poem. In the class discussion, Jane, you hardly said a word. So, the class discussion was going on, and one girl called Jane, she hardly said a word. That means hardly said a means she didn't speak anything in that class discussion. We all aired our opinions, but from you we barely heard. The teacher is telling to the student, they all aired, they all spoke publicly, but very barely, just for the namesake she spoke. That's all. You sat and stared in silence, surrounded by the chatter. Now tell me, Jane, and please be plain. Is there anything the matter? Teacher is telling, they all others expressed their ideas, but you were simply looking to a particular point with wide open eyes. That means she was completely quiet in the class. And teacher is asking Jane, is there any reason for keeping quiet? Is there any trouble? So, what was her response that we are going to see? Jane looked up, then she spoke. Jane looked up and she started talking. Her voice was very clear and low. That shows her confidence. Okay? There are many people in this world who are rather quiet, you know. As a response, she asked another question, just like a question. There are so many people in this world who are rather quiet. You know that? Jane asked the teacher. That means by birth, naturally, they are quiet. Some people are like that. Okay, children? Now, tell, what activity was going on in this class? Yes, the class discussion was going on in the class. Okay, tell me, who was the quiet one in the class? Give me the name of the student who was quiet in the class. Jane. Yes, Jane was quiet one in the class. Why was she quiet? Why was she quiet? She was quiet by natural. Okay, the natural way she was very quiet. Now we are moving to the next, the last question. Do you participate or remain quiet in class during discussions? It is for you. This question is for you. Do you remain silent or do you participate? Give me the answer. Yes, you will participate actively. Then only you will grow well. Okay, students, I hope this poem will enrich you. Thank you.